Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Pharmacy Questions Podcast. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we continue our journey into the world of health and nutrition. I'm Dr. Iyke, your guide to making informed choices that benefit your well-being. Whether you're a seasoned keto enthusiast or just starting out, this episode is packed with valuable insights. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our weekly episodes. We cover a wide range of topics from diet tips to in-depth health advice. Today, we're diving into episode 4 of our keto series, Keto-Friendly Foods and Recipes. This series is designed to help you navigate the ketogenic diet with ease and confidence. In this video, I'll share some of the best low-carb, high-fat foods that are essential for your keto journey. These foods will not only help you stay in ketosis, but also provide the nutrients your body needs. We'll explore a variety of options, including avocados, salmon, eggs, nuts, cheese, and olive oil. Each of these foods plays a crucial role in maintaining a balanced keto diet. Plus, I'll be sharing 3 easy recipes that are perfect for beginners. These recipes are not only delicious, but also simple to prepare, making your keto journey enjoyable and sustainable. And to top it off, I'll give you some meal prepping tips to save you time and keep you on track. Meal prepping is a game changer for staying consistent with your diet. Let's get started. To succeed on keto, you need to focus on foods that are low in carbs, but high in healthy fats and moderate in protein. This balance is crucial for maintaining ketosis, a metabolic state where your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. By carefully selecting the right ingredients, you can create delicious and satisfying meals that support your keto journey. Here are some staples to include in your diet to ensure you stay on track and enjoy your meals. Healthy fats. Stock up on olive oil, which is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It's perfect for salad dressings, cooking, and even drizzling over finished dishes for an extra flavor boost. Avocado oil is another excellent choice, known for its high smoke point, making it ideal for frying and sautéing. Butter, especially grass-fed, adds a rich taste and is packed with beneficial fats. Ghee, a type of clarified butter, is great for high-heat cooking and has a nutty flavor. Coconut oil, with its medium-chain triglycerides, is perfect for baking and adding a tropical twist to your dishes. These healthy fats are the backbone of keto meals, providing the energy and satiety you need to thrive on this diet. Proteins. Choose fatty cuts of meat like ribeye steaks and pork belly, which are not only flavorful, but also help you meet your fat intake goals. Poultry with the skin on, such as chicken thighs and wings, are also excellent choices. Incorporate fatty fish like salmon and sardines, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs are versatile and nutrient-dense, while grass-fed beef provides higher levels of omega-3s and antioxidants compared to grain-fed beef. Low-carb vegetables. Focus on leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are low in carbs but high in vitamins and minerals. Zucchini and cauliflower are great for making keto-friendly versions of your favorite dishes like zoodles and cauliflower rice. Broccoli, asparagus, and bell peppers add color, crunch, and essential nutrients to your meals. Dairy cheese, heavy cream, and Greek yogurt, unsweetened, are excellent for adding flavor and creaminess to your dishes. They also provide a good source of fat and protein. Sour cream is another great option for adding richness to your meals. Snacks. Nuts like macadamia, which are high in healthy fats and low in carbs, are perfect for snacking. Almonds and pecans are also great choices, providing a satisfying crunch and a good balance of fats and protein. Seeds like chia and flax are excellent for adding fiber and omega-3s to your diet. Pork rinds are a crunchy, zero-carb snack that can also be used as a breadcrumb substitute in recipes. These foods not only keep you in ketosis, but also provide essential nutrients for energy and health. By incorporating a variety of these ingredients, you can create delicious, satisfying meals that make sticking to the keto diet enjoyable and sustainable. Now let's get cooking. Here are 3 simple and delicious keto recipes you can try today. Recipe 1. Keto Avocado Egg Cups. Ingredients: 1 avocado, 2 eggs, salt, pepper, and your favorite seasoning. Instructions: cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out a little flesh to make room for the egg. Crack an egg into each half, season, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 15 to 20 minutes. Recipe 2. Creamy Garlic Butter Salmon. Ingredients: 1 salmon fillet, 2 tablespoons of butter, minced garlic, heavy cream, and spinach. Instructions: sear the salmon in butter, add garlic, cream, and spinach, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Serve hot. Recipe 3. Zucchini noodles with pesto. Ingredients: 1 zucchini, pesto sauce, and Parmesan cheese. Instructions: spiralize the zucchini, saute it in olive oil, toss with pesto, and sprinkle with Parmesan. These recipes are quick, packed with flavor, and completely keto-friendly. Meal prepping is a game changer for staying consistent on keto. It helps you stay on track, saves time, and ensures you always have a healthy meal ready to go. Here are some tips to make it easier and more efficient. First, plan your meals for the week. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your entire week. Write down your meals and snacks to avoid last-minute decisions. This will help you stick to your keto plan without any guesswork. Cook in batches to save time and effort. For example, roast a whole tray of chicken thighs. This can be used in various meals throughout the week, from salads to main dishes. Prepare a big batch of cauliflower rice. It's a versatile side that can be paired with many keto-friendly dishes. And don't forget to boil several eggs at once. Hard-boiled eggs are a great snack or addition to salads and meals. Use containers to keep everything organized. Divide your meals into portions using meal prep containers so they're grab-and-go ready. This makes it easy to stick to your diet even on busy days. Keep snacks handy. Pre-portion nuts, cheese cubes, or keto fat bombs to avoid reaching for high-carb foods. Having these snacks ready will help you stay on track and avoid temptations. By dedicating a few hours each week to meal prep, you'll save time, reduce stress, and ensure you always have a keto-friendly meal at hand. This not only helps you stay committed to your goals, but also makes the keto lifestyle more sustainable and enjoyable. Happy meal prepping. So, to recap, focus on low-carb, high-fat foods to stay in ketosis. Try beginner-friendly recipes like avocado egg cups, creamy garlic butter salmon, and zucchini noodles. Save time with meal prepping. Your future self will thank you. Keto doesn't have to be complicated. With the right foods, recipes, and strategies, you're setting yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to Pharmacy Questions with Dr. Iyke for more health and nutrition tips. Join me next week for episode 5, where we'll dive into top keto mistakes to avoid. Until then, keep advancing, stay healthy, and live your best life. See you soon.